Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove song from Instagram post. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, then head over to your post section or the plus section. Go to the post option and here just choose any of here just choose any of the posts you want. Suppose I'm doing this one. Click on next and then tap next. Here you can add music. Suppose I'm adding this one. And if you have already added this music as like me, you can just remove it by going back. Suppose you have added music like me and you just want to just delete it from here before sharing of this post. So just click on the cross. And if you scroll down, there will be an option of remove song. Tap on it and the song will be removed. And if you have already shared the post with that specific song, I must say that I'm sorry, but you can't just change the song or remove the song right away. You must just delete that specific post. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.